Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Oracle AI Services, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Oracle AI Services, first, navigate to the Oracle Cloud website. Log in using your Oracle account credentials. Once logged in, locate the navigation menu in the top left corner. Click on the menu to expand it, then scroll down to find AI Services. Select AI Services to access the Services page. On the AI Services page, click on the Create Instance button. You will be prompted to select a service type. Choose the specific AI service you want to activate. After selecting the service, click Next to proceed with the configuration. Fill in the required fields for resource configuration. Specify the name, compartment, and any other necessary settings. Review the pricing details associated with the service. Once satisfied with your selections, click the Create button. Wait for the instance to be provisioned, which may take a few moments. After provisioning, navigate back to the AI Services section. You should see your newly activated AI service listed there. Click on the service name to access its dashboard. This dashboard provides you with usage statistics and management options. To begin using your AI service, follow the documentation provided by Oracle. Make sure to explore the various features available within the service. Congratulations! You have successfully activated Oracle AI Services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.